Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig review is on LuvMe Hair. Let's get into it. So we have our hair wax stick, which is great for keeping that wig flat. I ordered a 24-inch body wave wig. It does come with transparent lace, 3 comb attachments, and an elastic band. And the knots are not bleached, but you can get them bleached. So we have a travel size curling iron, which is great. Ooh, hot comb, okay. Got them bangs. If I can get them off. Ooh, cute little pouch. Elastic band, baby hair toothbrush, hairpins, cute headband, tweezers, and a cute hairpin. All right, let's get into this install. So I've already pre-bleached and plucked my hairline already, so I'm just measuring it to my head just to make sure that it fits correctly, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut out the ear tabs. All right, so I'm parting out the ear tabs here right above my earlobe. Make sure you guys don't cut off your ear, okay? Because we don't need them problems. All right, perfect. So measure that. Looks great. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Part directly above your ear. And when you cut, make sure not to cut a lot of hair off. Perfect. All right, so let's see. You being goofy, y'all. Don't worry about it. So let's measure it out real quick and see how it looks and fits. We cut the ear tabs off and just make sure it fits right. Looks good to me. Before I go ahead and style. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry her really good. Make sure she's nice and dry. So I'm gonna go in with my BioSilk Silk Therapy. It's really good on natural hair as well as your weaves. Now, if you want your weave to be shiny, sleek, smooth, soft, all of that, get you some BioSilk, okay? I'm sectioning my wig off just like I would if I was doing my natural hair. And then I'm going to make sure that the BioSilk is evenly distributed. Alright, so I'm parting out small sections here. And then I have my Kaposi flat iron, and I'm using it on 450. And make sure you guys take your time when flat ironing. Go through it 2 to 3 times. You don't have to worry about doing no heat damage with this hair. Yeah, it gets it nice and bone straight. That BioSilk is life, y'all. So now that the hair is straight, I'm going to use my hair wax stick, and I'm going to put it along the hairline as well as in the middle of the head, just to make sure that all the flyaways are laid down. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. I'm gonna melt the wax into the hair. And watch how flat and smooth it gets. All right, now we got that flat. It's time to go ahead and get her installed and put on my head. All right, so I'm just measuring her off, checking her out, make sure she's looking good. Look how smooth she is up there, y'all. Y'all see that? That hot comb and that wax stick is life. All right. So now I'm gonna go in with my Ebin tinted lace. I have a light brown. I'm gonna spray it on the inside of the lace to get that scalp effect look. Do y'all see the difference that tint made? Look how natural that looks. It's beautiful. So time to lay her down. I'm using my olive oil grip gel, and I'm just gonna take my popsicle stick and lay that over my entire hairline. Get it nice and smooth. I'm just lightly blow drying here, and then I'm gonna pull my lace up over the cap, so make sure the hairline is over the cap. Now that I have it lined up and in place, I'm going to use my blow dryer on cool air to secure it in place. Alright, so I'm using my scarf. I'm going to tie it down. I'm going to leave it tied down for a good 20 minutes to make sure it's nice and dry. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh, okay, girl. Okay. Look at you. Alright, so it's time to remove that excess lace. So I'm just going to remove it in sections here. And if you notice, I'm doing the zigzag effect for a natural look. So I'm going to use my rubbing alcohol to get rid of all of that glue residue. And so I'm going to take my olive oil grip gel in any areas that are lifting. I want to put the gel underneath and blow dry it down. Alright, so it's time to get into our edges. So I'm parting very thin parts across my entire hairline. I don't like to take out big sections of hair. I don't like the thick baby hair look effect. Like, I do not like that at all. So thin for me. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut my baby hairs out, and make sure to cut at an angle if you don't want that blunt look. Alright, y'all, so I forgot to hit my record button initially, but I'm curling my baby hairs under, just so that when I do lay them down, they'll fall in the direction that I want them to go in. Yeah, I can never get my baby's hair to look right on both sides. But anyways, we'll fix that later. Okay, so I'm using my wax sticks just to touch everything up. And I'm of course going to use the hot comb behind that just to smooth it down and lay it down really good. Thank you guys for tuning in with me today. Came out gorgeous. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Bye.